Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Karim. Today we're going to be talking about abstaining from touching your spouses during that holy month. Men especially, when we see our lady, when we see our spouse, we go, it's hard for us to keep that urge and resistance in. But I'm urging each and every one of you, try not to sexually touch your spouse. Do not touch them on the lower side, on the back side, on the top side. Just try to resist the natural urges. And even women get the same urges. These things lead to sex during the day of Ramadan, when you're fasting, which you should not do. I urge each and every one of you, abstain from sex during the day of Ramadan. So watch my other video. If you do have sex during the day of Ramadan, watch my other video to find out what to do. Well, thanks for watching. My name's Karim, and remember, Ya Rabbul Alameen. Come to good.